Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm just gonna start off the video by cleaning my washing machine. I think I said that in one of my last videos that I needed to get this done. As you can see here in just a second, I tried pulling this white thing off because it was aggravating me. I cannot get the corners clean. So if you guys have a different solution, please help a girl out. That is driving me crazy. Alright, you guys are gonna see my wall is discolored. I have no idea what that is. It is not mold, it is not water damage. It was like that when we bought this house. We do live in a 1997 mobile home. So she is fairly old, and I don't know when the last time this was painted. We are in the process of painting the whole house. Unfortunately, our bedroom is probably gonna be the last room we paint, because if you see the safe behind me, it is extremely heavy, and our bed is pretty heavy too. And I think it's just the process of having to pull everything out from the wall, excuse me, and then paint, then move everything back, let it dry. It's just gonna be a process, but I cannot wait to start painting it because that wall drives me crazy.
You're mine for sure.